Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in and welcome to the 2092nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Once again, thanks for tuning in. So, please know before we get started that this is an extremely risky game, trading futures, trading options, trading just about anything. Imagine if you were long crude oil just the other day with going 40 below zero. So this is an extremely risky arena. Know that, put your stops in first, and never, ever trade without capital that can be lost and doesn't change your way of life. You know what I mean? If it does, you shouldn't be trading it. All right, so we were sellers of rallies for trading on Wednesday. That worked out really well in Russell, but we lost in S&P more than we made in Russell. Wednesday, bad day for us on Wednesday. We were losers. We don't have a lot of losing days strung together. Omni's a fantastic counterpuncher. So pull up your chairs and let's get ready for day trading on Wednesday night into Thursday. So, traders, NASDAQ. I showed this chart to you in last night's video, and it basically showed that the NASDAQ dropped below the channel and started testing the 50-bar moving average. Well, instead of going through it, this channel didn't get breached at all, and instead of going through the channel, this is what happened. Let me uncover the bar. It went back up and stayed solid. The 50 and 200 bar moving averages are almost together, and now Omni has turned into a buyer of dips for trading on Wednesday. Well, I should say Wednesday night into Thursday. So, looks interesting, could work, love the idea, but I think there's something else out there that looks even better for trading on Thursday. Take a look at this chart. Gold, nice bull flag. I am calling that a bull flag. It just decided to react to that bull flag. Omni's nice and green, so I think maybe gold is a spot where we could mess around. We'll see what happens. If not, we are compelled to buy the dips in E-mini S&P or NASDAQ or Russell, because when Omni says buy the dips, that's what we do. When Omni says sell the rallies, that's what we do. And if you've been following us long enough, Omni's really navigated us well through this entire debacle on the way down and this bounce we've seen for a few weeks on the way back up. So stay tuned. Omni's a great counterpuncher. I have a feeling we'll have a very interesting evening and day on Thursday trading. Make sure you join me in my live trading room. We'll see where these markets go. And remember, keep your emotions out of this game, kids. We didn't use emotions today because on a losing day, we don't have emotions. On a winning day, we don't use emotions. We just plan a trade and trade that plan. Join me, as I said, in my free trading room at livewithoscar.com, and keep your emotions really far out of your decisions. And one of the best things you can do about that, in my opinion, is put your stops in first, and then say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thanks for tuning in once again. Come to my trading room at livewithoscar.com and stay safe out there.